Hey folks, so my immediate goal for the 7R7 project is to get it off that trolley, get some suspension set up and get it rolling. However, as you can probably see, I don't have any wheels. However, I found a set. Let's go on a road trip. We are in sunny Scarborough, which is just north of Toronto. And the guy selling wheels is not here. It's alright, he'll be here in 5 minutes. Apparently he's out getting his shopping. Everyone needs to eat. I really hope these are the right wheels for the job. Find out soon. I have wheels! Okay, they're not in the best of condition. They were only $140 and one of them does need a repair. But I think they're going to look really good. And you're going to have to wait till we get home before you see them. I'll maybe go the scenic route through Toronto and just give you a couple of glimpses of what I think is the most beautiful modern city I've ever seen in Canada. I've not been around much. Right, see you in a minute. I had to stop and get emergency sunglasses, you know, because the future is so bright. Now I get migraines if I drive without sunglasses. Right, see the house. If you're a long haul truck driver, respect. I don't know how you can do that every day. What a nightmare. It's not so bad when you're doing it for fun, picking up parts or going on a wee road trip, but do that every day? No thanks. Right, let me show you what we got. "18-inch, kind of Hockenheim TSW BBS type reps. Now, they are big wheels, but I wanted a big wheel with a low profile tyre because this will be a track car. And I think they're just lovely. $140. As I say, one at the back needs a bit of a repair, which I'll need to get done by someone else because I can't weld aluminum. I'm happy. Let's see what they look like in the car. Well, next to the car. Got my bag of nuts. And I was worried they would look too big, bearing in mind the frame is still to come down about 3 or 4 inches. So it kind of looks like an off-roader. A pretty cool off-roader, has to be said. Although I do need to get some sort of rollover bar. I'm pretty pleased with how they look. Yep. And previous owner has already turned them into slicks for me, so that's handy. Just kidding, I'll get proper tyres, you know, in about a year, 2 years, however long it takes me to build this. Now, the one small problem I've got is I don't have much room here. Because this frame was built wider than plan, it's about 4 inches wider overall, I believe, so it's 2 inches coming out this way a wee bit too much. Don't think it'll be a problem. It's only this section here that's sticking out a bit close. Now I did want to mount the diff right in the middle, but it doesn't really matter. I can move the whole diff back a few inches like that, and then it'll clear that obstruction there. Bearing in mind the angle of the drive shaft at the moment is pointing way down. So that's as close as it would get. Remember, as the axle goes down like that, it's going to draw the wheel in a bit. That will be the further side the wheel will be, and that will be close again. So I think we'll be okay with about that much. Worst case scenario, I just add a couple of spacers. Wheels wise, love them. I've always loved these wheels, or this style of wheel. I know they're not real Hockenheims or whatever it is. I think it's TSW F1. I can't remember the name, but I love this style. Hey, you want to know something interesting? Watch this. This wheel has the same stud pattern as that wheel. I will of course have to try them at some point, not today though. I am currently waiting on the tools to get the brake disc off the RX-7 hub. Remember, ordered the impact driver, should be here at any second. So when that arrives, what else am I getting? Something else is coming, and I'll be working on the brakes in the next episode. How does that look from your point of view? Nah, I don't even think I'll bother trying them. But I might. Okay, that's me for today. Thanks for coming on my little road trip. If I can collect something every day, that would be awesome. Especially at that price. Okay, bye for now.